Just give me 2 months. I literally make you to speak English confidently. See, here I've just said I'm going to make you not to be fluent in English. I'm not going to make you be fluent in English within just 2 months. I'm just going to make you to speak English. Start to speak English. If you are the person who are a beginner who don't know what to do, how to start, where to start to learn English, this video is absolutely for you. Why? Because I just come up with a remarkable news. I would say it's a prominent thing that every English learner should know, which is nothing but my online class. I come up with a beautiful course which is 2 months course that is called as foundation course. You can also call that as from fear to fluency English speaking program. Of course guys, just think about it. If you want to speak English, don't go for fluency. See, everybody expects that I want to be fluent in English. I want to become a fluent speaker. But you know one thing, according to my perspective, in my opinion, I would say that fluency is a myth. If you aim for fluency, oh my God, it's a journey, it's a process. It takes many months. It takes many months. For me, it takes 3 or 5 years. For you, it takes more than 10 years or more than 1 year or 6 months. So don't depend on fluency. Fluency is a myth. So here in this video, I would like to introduce my launching course offer with a 50% off. So if you are the person who are literally interested to join my group class, yes, you can take this wonderful opportunity. So here in these 2 months, totally you'll get 30 hours live session. Of course, this is a 60-day speaking English program. Yes guys, and one more thing, from this course you are not only going to learn grammar. See, before that, my class is divided into two parts. One is grammatical way, another one is pragmatic way. What is mean by pragmatic way? Pragmatic way is nothing but practical way. First, grammar. Grammar is mandatory. I would say grammar is very important because without grammar you can't frame a sentence. Without sentence you can't speak English. So without group of sentence you can't speak English fluently. You people are aimed for fluency, right? First you have to know, you have to learn how to frame a proper sentence in English. Once you know that, then automatically you can start to speak in English. After that, you can start to have a conversation with someone else. That's how fluency begins. It's a language. It's a journey. You have to maintain a passion. So from my course, what are the things that you are going to learn? I really want to tell that. The first thing is especially grammar. Grammar is nothing but, it's not like a theory of grammar. It's like a usage of grammar. What to learn, especially you have to know basic grammar knowledge. Am I right? If you know the basic grammar, once you learn English, once you started to speak English, at that moment if you make any mistakes, if you make any errors, you automatically just recognize your mistake and you can just correct by yourself itself. You don't require any tutor or someone else to find out your mistake. Here you have to use is, not, or. Here is present tense, not past tense. No. If you learn the foundation grammar, you don't require anyone to correct your mistakes because then you are eligible to identify your own mistakes, right? So these 2 months will give you the confident, I would say my course will give you confident, and you can learn how to frame a sentence and how to have a conversation, how to speak English, especially in a beginner way. But this course is only for beginners. If you are a beginner, want to correct your mistakes, and some people who are in an intermediate level learners, still they make some grammatical mistakes. For them as well, this course will be very useful for you. If you want to correct your grammatical areas, you can take this course, and simultaneously you will get speaking English environment and speaking practice, conversational practice. Along with that, each and every day you are going to learn vocabularies. This is called vocabulary enrichment part, and simultaneously you are going to learn pronunciation tips, how to pronounce some words in a proper way, because we people from various states, various areas, so definitely we have mother tongue influence. So if you want to sound natural in English, we have to learn proper Indian pronunciation. So you can also learn some pronunciation from my class. These 60 days are literally going to play a vital role in your English journey. You can gain confidence, you can gain clarity, and consistency, especially consistency plays a vital role. You may lack in consistency. If you maintain the consistency for next 60 days, especially 60 days, definitely you can see the drastic improvement in the way you speak, the confidence that you are going to gain inside of your heart, and so much of things are hidden in our course. So if you are looking for a good environment, good online class, definitely you can take this course. Especially it's basically for beginners and intermediate level learners, but here I won't teach advanced level grammars, advanced to advanced things. Okay, it's for beginners and above beginner students. So if you are very much interested, please let me know in my comment section, and before that I'll give my WhatsApp number in the screen, and check out my description. You'll get my WhatsApp number. Just ping me on WhatsApp about my course and I can guide you. And limited seats only available. I won't. Limited seats are only available because I won't take much students. It's a 2 months course. So I want to take result from my students. And I can assure you that after 2 months, you're going to speak English confidently, which means you can start to frame a sentence. You are eligible to speak English without any hesitation. That's how I make you. I can assure you that. But fluency is within your hand. It takes many months. Okay, don't aim for fluency, perfection. Just start to speak English. Just start to frame a sentence. Start from your heart. Express your opinions and thoughts in front of others, with others, in a social format. So whatever it is. So what are you waiting for? Just enroll your course today itself. The group class starts on July 20. So be fast because limited seats only available. I'm not going to provide a lot of opportunity for many students because only limited slots. You have to book your slots very soon. You have to grab the opportunity. Opportunity doesn't wait for no one. You have to utilize it at a proper time. And I guess your question, I guess your doubt. Yes, monthly course also available. Every month you can also attend my class. But apart from that, it's a launching offer which is 2 months 60 days speaking English program, especially designed for beginners. In case if you don't want 60 days class, you can take 1 month course. There you can get 15 classes. Each day you'll get 40 minutes. Each day you'll get 40 minutes. But if you want long-term process, long-term process and many minutes, then you can choose 1 hour class, especially the 2 months course, just for 50% offer, 2,500. When it comes to monthly class, it fees is just 1,000 rupees per student. Okay, these two courses are available right now. When it comes to one-on-one session, yes, I provide one-on-one session class also, but not for everyone, only for selected students. The admission is going on, especially the admission is open for that. So if you are interested to join either these class, you can just enroll now. Till then, you take care. I come up with another interesting video very soon. Bye bye.